Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super easy it is to install SuperATV's rear cargo box on this Textron Wildcat XX. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove the factory bed retainers. We've already done this, so we've got our brackets out and ready to get them installed. So now that we've already removed our factory bed retainers, we're going to grab our brackets. The biggest thing to know when installing these brackets is that this portion here is always going to face away from the center of the bed. This will sit just like this, and this one over here will sit just like this. And then these back here, we want to make sure that this portion is facing towards the front of the machine. They'll sit just like this, and you're going to make sure your holes are always on the inside as well. So we're going to grab our provided hardware. We're just going to thread these right in to where we remove our bed retaining screws. And you don't want to fully tighten these just yet because you want to be able to swivel them out of the way to get your cargo box in. Leave them loose. And you can rotate them around as you go. That's what we're going to do just to kind of make it easier here on us. And you may need to slide your bed around a little bit. This isn't how we're going to orient this bracket, but I just spun it around to make it easier to get it started. So once I got it started, I'm just going to flip it back around to its proper location. Then, like I said, we're going to leave everything pretty well loose. That way we can rotate it around, get it lined up with our cargo box whenever we do get it installed. So we've got our cooler cargo box here. We're just going to go ahead and lay it down into the bed. And open up our hardware pack that has our thumb screws in it. We're going to take one of our lock washers and install them to our thumb screw. And then we're just going to line up our brackets to our cargo box. We're just going to continue going around. And we'll go back here to the back brackets and we'll just do the same exact thing that we were doing. And once you have everything started, you'll want to go through and you'll want to tighten up all your thumb screws first. And you'll just want to tighten those by hand. Make sure they're all good and started straight. Then after we have all our thumb screws tight, we're going to go ahead and tighten all of our bolts that secure the brackets to the frame of the machine. We'll want to tighten these in an X pattern. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's cooler cargo box in your Textron Wildcat XX. For more information on this cooler cargo box or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.